So in this video, we'll look at what is LLM and how it works. So LLM is basically a large language model. So LLM we can correlate with a human brain. So LLM has processes a lot of data, and it it creates its knowledge based on the data which we feed to the LLM. So I will give you one friend's analogy here. So suppose you have one friend who reads a lot of books and he has developed his knowledge by reading books. So suppose you have any doubt, you will go to your friend and ask him the questions about your doubts. So he will answer your doubt based on the knowledge he has acquired from the books. So you can uh, consider LLM similar to your friend who can answer your doubts based on the knowledge it has developed by reading a lot of data from the external sources. So it develops its knowledge. So behind the scenes, it will have a computer network, which is a neural network, and it is fed up with lot of data like books, text messages, text files, PDFs, videos, audios. So you can feed your LLM with unstructured data, and it will create the connections behind the scenes to understand what data you have fed, and it will understand that data. So how it works, basically it reads the data from the external sources, and the data is feed to the LLM. Next, it will start remembering the patterns, and it will start making the patterns based on the data which we fed to the LLM. So basically, when you feed LLM with suppose a burger, so first it won't understand its food, but as we keep on uh, feeding a lot of data to LLM, it starts making the connections behind the scenes using neural networks, and it starts identifying burger as a food. So similarly, if you feed LLM with a pizza, it won't understand as a food, but it starts categorizing the data. So next step is guessing. It starts guessing the next data and starts categorizing that data based on the patterns it has understood from your data, and then it starts adjusting the data. So basically, when you start feeding the data, initially it won't understand what what's the meaning out of it, but as you go on feeding the LLM with lot of data, it starts adjusting its data and start categorizing it into various different categories, and it would understand that this pizza, burger is in a food category, and cat, mouse, dog, those are in animal category. So likewise, it starts adjusting the data, and uh, it trains itself. So there are various different models which serves different purposes. So as we have seen earlier as well, there are chat models through to which you can send a prompt, and it you get the responses. There are image models which generates the images based on the prompt given. Then there are video models which can generate you the video based on the data provided. Then there are specific models which are trained to do mathematical operations as well. Uh, some models do summarization for you. So you just feed that model with a PDF or text file, and it will give you the summarization of the document. There are some models like Copilot and all which can generate a code for you, uh, which are uh, trained to generate a code uh, for developers. So we are going to connect to these models in upcoming videos. So we'll be connecting to open APIs, chat model, image model, audio models, and various different models I will be demonstrating there. Thank you.